Hi there. Today we're in the shopping center and we're going to spend our leisure time doing shopping. Do I look like a dummy? Now we're in the shop, or as American people call it, in the store, and that's the season of sales. Sale is the period during which the shop sells its goods at reduced prices. So here, look, we came here to get some nice outfit for this summer season. So let's make it.
I guess we don't need any puffer jacket in the summer.
But what we definitely need is some nice t-shirt.
So let's grab some nice shots. Do you like it? Okay, let's go.
What's that?
Sunglasses, don't you see?
So I'm choosing some headgear to wear. So that's one. It's going to suit our outfit. I guess so. Guess. Eventually, we are ready to go to the fitting room. No, I'm so sorry. So, what do you think? Does this outfit suit me?
Yes.
Fine. Now let's go and pay for our goods we want to buy at the counter. That's the discount card. If you have this card, you can even lower the amount of money you have to pay.
We are done for today. See ya!